Yo, this is insane. Google just dropped Antigravity, and I'm telling you, it's insane. What even like it's a crazy name. Like what? Anti-gravity, like thinking about anti-gravity, I'm like thinking about like serious physics here, like something that defies gravity, basically gives you a lift off. Insane stuff. Anti-gravity is insane. Like you could literally like run multiple agents in parallel to work on the same project, but on different features at the very same time. It's insane. Yo, the funnest part is probably like people like Google's demonstration like involves or includes a lot of projects that actually combine hardware and software. So basically like they have like this pinball, you know, setup that plays itself, of course, like using AI. And basically, like, of course, they're feeding data into, the system that was built through like cameras and different sensors. And of course, like it has to be able to like also like input commands basically to have like a physical effect in the real world. Like it's insane. That actually has to be one of the best features in my opinion. But honestly, like, bro, I haven't even tried it for myself, but like, I want to try right now. Like, I just wanted to make this video like real quick. The features and the how well it works, it's insane. Like, it could literally like build out stuff. Let's say you're building out like a app that has a web app. It can test that web app itself in the exact same way a human would. Basically, like you'd see it like scroll the mouse across the screen and click stuff, type stuff, test it out with expected data and information, and also test it out with unexpected stuff that it knows it should fail, but it still what? Yo, enough said. I have to go try this out myself. This is insane.